Hello, friends. Hello, friends. So, I'm going to talk a bit about the past life karma and how to see past life karma through astrology. So, this is an illustration of a Ram, who is a avatar of Vishnu, his horoscope. This is as per many traditions, they have given this horoscope. So, this is his Cancer rising or Kark rising, Jupiter moon in the first house, Saturn exalted in the fourth house, Mars exalted in the seventh house, Rahu and Ketu are actually Rahu is debilitated, Venus is exalted in ninth house, Sun is exalted in 11th house, Mercury in the Sun is exalted in the 10th house, Mercury in the 11th house. Mercury is not exalted, he is in the 11th house. And who else is there? Yeah, Ketu. So what we are going to look at is Moola Dasha. Now Moola Dasha is based on, it's a sign based Dasha. Okay. So I think it is available in most softwares. I'll be using Jagannatha Hora to show that. So this is a site where you can just go through how to calculate. I mean, if you want to do manual calculations. Okay. So this is sequence and all that. If you want to learn it manually, you can go through this site. So basically this particular system will show you your past karma. So let me go to Jagannatha Hora. One second, give me a second. Okay. So you have to just go and click the Dasa tab. Okay. And in other Dasas, you have to right click. So on the bottom tabs, there are three types of Dasas. This is moon based, this is sign based, and these are the others. In the others, you have to right click, and first one is Mola. Dasa showing the root of the events or past life karma. Okay, so this is mine, of course. So this is where you will find. I'll just go back to the Rams. So here, if you see for Ram, the sequence is first is Jupiter. Okay, the normal Vimshottari 16 years, and Jupiter is 6 signs away from his office. Okay, so the office is 6 signs away. I mean, sorry, the office is 6 signs away from where Jupiter is. So the office, how do I show that? Okay, let me go here. Okay, so this is the office of Jupiter, Sagittarius. Jupiter is here. From Jupiter, the office is 6 signs away. So I guess that's what here the author is taking. So 16, 6 and -1, you have to always do -1, that is 5. And we have to also check whether the planet is exalted or debilitated. Actually, Jupiter is exalted in Ram's horoscope, so +1. And so net reduction is 6, because 5 plus 1, 6. So 16 minus 6 is 10 years. So if you want to learn how to calculate, this site is useful. I'll give you this site in the link. Okay, so the Moola Dasa is perfect because it is the only Dasa system which shows why Rama was banished to the forest for 14 years. That too exactly from the 24th of his life as given or as recorded in the scriptures. If you go by the normal system, what will happen is, I mean, he is born in the sign of Cancer. The first dasha will be of Jupiter 2 years, plus Saturn is 19, so 2 plus 19 is 21, and then there is 17 years of Mercury. So it is impossible to predict why a good Mercury, for him Mercury is quite good. He has good friends. Mercury, 17 years from the age of 21 to 38, why he went to forest in this period? It seems extremely unlikely. Whereas if you see this Moola Dasha, okay, this is the only system which will actually tell you why he went. Because see, if you see 10 plus moons, 10, 20 years, Mars is another 3, 23. At the age of 23, Saturn started. Saturn is 14 years. Now, why Saturn? I'll tell you why. Saturn is exalted, okay, but at the same time, he is involved in a curse. So, what is a curse? Saturn is looking at Jupiter, and Mars is also looking at Jupiter. Saturn is the house of the seventh house, okay, he's lord of the seventh house as well as the eighth house, which clearly shows that it is related to his wife. So, the curse started taking place at beginning of Saturn Dasha. So you can use Jagannatha Hora to look at these things. Also, how to see curses is very simple. Like if you take, for example, my Jupiter, it's aspected by Saturn and it's aspected by Rahu. So at least two malefic planets such as Saturn, Rahu, Mars, Sun. Out of these four, at least two should aspect the good planet. And the reason for the curse is you can see in the lordship. Now Saturn rules third house, second house related to family, maybe food and all that, and also brothers. Rahu is the lord of third house. So something to do with third house, maybe bravery, courage, brothers, maybe some relationships and all that. Because of that, the curse was introduced. Okay, so when can I experience that? Mostly in this period, and which I already experienced. I experienced this a lot. And Saturn is coming in 2026, so let's see. Okay, but this is where you see the Moola Dasa. Okay, so is there a remedy? Yeah, I mean there is a remedy. Like if the planet is under some kind of curse or something, like here Jupiter is, no, Jupiter is in the sign of Cancer, so it is actually Jyotirlinga of Omkareshwar, which is in near Narmada river. Okay, so there he, you can go if the planet under curse is so, because this is Aries is Rameshwar, this is Somnath, Taurus is Somnath, then Gemini is Nageshwar, this is Omkareshwar, this is Vaidyanath, this is Mallikarjun, this is Mahakal Ujjain, this is Krishneshwar Aurangabad, this is Kashi Vishwanath, this is Bhima Shankar, this is Kedarnath, and this is Trayambakeshwar. It's in Nashik. So you have to see, I mean, which sign, which planet is under curse and all that. So curses is of course a different topic. I'm just giving you some hints. Basically, Moola Dasha shows the effect of past life karma. Okay, thank you.